up guys, Ryan here. Got a no heat on one of these two Carriers. Not sure which one is for the back of the office. This one appears to be running. This one does not appear to be running. I just threw my ladder up to get up here. I don't hear any blower. Thermostat set on 72. It's 66 in the space. So let me go grab my tools and we will see what we got. All right guys, I got the panel off. I did not shut power off. I can hear some buzzing and I smell some electrical burn, I think. I want to see if I can see a error code through this panel before I... Okay, we got a code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Induced draft motor fault. I'm pretty sure we have power to that inducer and she not running. Let me go ahead and get my meter out here. Guys, I still got power on. I confirmed the 6 flashes. Our contactors all look good, but check this out. It's not spinning free. And that's definitely the electrical smell. Go ahead and kick the power off to it. Well, while we're here, I mean, we're going to be ordering a new combustion blower. But while we're here, let's take a look at everything. Check the heat exchanger, check the blower motor, check the belt. All those good things. It's pretty cold out today. Guys, let me show you these. They're pretty nice. Got them for my birthday. Thanks to my loving wife. When it's cold and these gloves here just aren't cutting it, I mean, they're good to work in, but when your hands are freezing, especially my right hand, I got arthritis in this. My knuckles are starting to pop out. Got these on Amazon. Refrigerator, work mittens. And in each one I throw a hot hands. So when your hands are cold and you need a break, instead of running down to the van, warming up your van just to warm your hands up, get yourself a pair of these, man. I'm not sponsored by these or anything, but I wish I'd have known about these freaking 15 years ago. Refrigerator on Amazon. They were like 29 bucks. And literally, I mean, my hand is toasty warm in here. Get this feeling back in your fingers. I'll never go another winter without these. And they're like leather work mittens. They're nice, pretty durable. You can pull a rope. I've climbed ladders with them. You can't really work with them, but I gotta say I'm pretty happy. And throwing the hot hands in there with it, like I said, this hand is toasty warm. Warm them up for a couple of minutes, then you can get back to it. So we'll go ahead and warm my right hand up now. That's the one that gives me the most problems. Like I said, I got arthritis starting in his hand pretty bad. So just a little tip from your Uncle Ryan. If you're working out in the cold, get you a pair of refrigerator work mittens and a box of hot hands, baby. All right, where's my drill? We're gonna pull this, check this heat exchanger. That's why I like to check everything. Got some cracks here. Right there. Right there. Let me position this camera. Those are cracks. So, not a huge crack. And some will even say those are acceptable from Carrier, but I write them up. Crack is a crack, in my opinion, and there's 3 of them right there. I'm gonna give this thing a better look here and make sure we don't have any other gaping holes, but this thing's down in heat, so it's gonna stay down in heat. I'm gonna go ahead and disable W just to make sure and shut the gas off. So at this point, combustion blower, heat exchanger. I thought this blower kind of sounded like it's got some dry bearings. We will find out. I'll be back with you here shortly. All right, yeah, the bearings are going on this. I'm just gonna recommend a blower motor because the bearings are loud and sound dry. So we will go from there. Triple banger motor, heat exchanger, combustion blower. Yep. Got to check everything, including this sucker. All right, gas is off, and we'll do a little snipperoo on W1 and W2. That way, it ain't trying to come on. If somebody comes up here and tries to kick it on, I mean, it ain't gonna run anyway. It ain't gonna run anyway with no combustion blower, but turn that on so they can see how cold it's getting on their thermostat. I'm gonna button this one up. We're gonna give this one a quick look. I sure hope there's nothing wrong with this one. They're not gonna be too happy with me if I shut down all the heat. We don't do much work here, so they only call when they have a problem. So let me button this one up, and then I'll dig in. If I find anything of note on this one, I'll bring you back. Got the power off to this one. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. Keep our fingers crossed inside our refrigerator work mittens. Now, unfortunately, we got another one cracked. They have no preventative maintenance done here, so I don't really feel bad, but the guy's not gonna be real thrilled when I go in and tell him, oh well, it is what it is. Give this thing another look. All in all, I mean, these seams feel a little rusty, but it's not just a hairline either. It's pretty good for see if I can shed some light on it. Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm here to look for, and it's right there. So let me go ahead and button this one up, open up the electrical panel, make sure everything's good there. Belt, motor, bearings are all good on this one. Yep. It pays to have your units inspected before every winter, but what are you gonna do? 2 for the price of 1. Looks like I'll be back at some point to do 2 Carrier heat exchangers again, so that's about an hour and a half's worth of work. I'll probably end this video and make this a complete one because everybody's seen the videos on how to do these Carrier heat exchangers. If you haven't, go back through my videos. I've got a couple. They're pretty easy. In fact, they're my favorite. I love Carrier. Always guaranteed to get some repair work out of them. So unfortunately, I got to go break the news to this guy that this unit's down as well, and he's very inquisitive on what's going on. So I'm just gonna have to break it to him. It is what it is. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming out. Leave me a comment, hit like. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.